Hi, my name is Tara from CraftTaraCreates.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create this s'mores fun banner with your Cricut machine. Check the link in the description to grab this cut file. Let's go ahead and get started on making this project.
Step 1. Prepare your project in Cricut Design Space. This banner is pre-created with text, a fire pit design, and a jar of fireflies design. So go ahead and open Cricut Design Space and click on New Project. Next, click on Upload, which is on the left side of the screen. Then click Upload Image. You can either click the Browse button or drag and drop the cut file into Cricut Design Space window like this. Click Upload. Then select the design so that the green box is around it and click Add to Canvas. As you can see, we can't see the whole banner project. Go ahead and zoom out a bit so you can see the project better. The banner design is grouped together so you can adjust the size if needed. It's a little difficult to tell how big one of the banner pendants is. You can check the size by clicking on one of the blue or black letter pendants on the right side panel. Once a pendant is selected, you can see the height and width. The banner pendants are a simple to assemble 2-layer pendants with hidden holes for the ribbon. I'll show you how to assemble the pendants with the hidden ribbon later in the video. This fun banner also has two other designs, the Happy Fire Pit and the Jar of Fireflies. Both of these designs are layered cardstock, and I will show you how to assemble each design step by step. When you are ready, click Make It to send this project to your Cricut machine. Continue on to cut out all the pieces with cardstock, and I will see you in the next step. Step 2. Assemble the fire pit and jar of fireflies. Now that everything has been cut out, it's time to assemble your s'mores fun banner. First, let's start putting together the Happy Fire Pit. Grab some foam dots and your favorite glue. Begin with gluing together the dark brown color to the back of the Happy Fire Pit face. The glue I am using is linked in the description below. Next, add the logs to the base of the fire pit. I love using these reverse tweezers to hold small pieces of cardstock. It's much easier to use the tweezers than my fingers. If you prefer written instructions with visual representations of this project, the cut file comes with PDF instructions to show you how each design is assembled. Add foam dots to the back of the fire pit face and secure the face to the orange flame. Lastly, add more adhesive foam dots between the fire flame and the base layer, and that completes the Happy Fire Pit design. Isn't this little fire pit the cutest? I love this little guy. Next up is the jar of fireflies. Just so you know, I cut my project smaller because I was making a mini-sized banner. These fireflies are larger if you cut the project at full size. The fireflies are made up of 3 layers: the yellow base layer, the white wing layer, and the top black outline. Use glue to combine all 3 layers on both fireflies. Next up is the jar. The jar is also made of 3 layers. Use glue to add the top outline layer to the next layer with the sparkle cutouts. Then add the jar to the yellow base layer. You can use foam dots or glue to secure the layers together. I used foam dots here, but the next time I make this, I'll go with just glue to assemble the layers because the fireflies add extra dimension on their own. Use a very small bit of adhesive foam to add the fireflies to the jar. I cut one foam dot in half and used 1/2 for each firefly. Step 3. Assemble the banner. Now it's time to assemble the banner pendants. Grab some flat ribbon and feed the ribbon from the back to the front on the blue pendant base. For this banner, I'm using a thin 1/8 inch flat ribbon. The ribbon holes can fit a ribbon up to a 1/2 inch wide. I sped up this part of the video because it's repetitive. Feel free to pause here if you are following along. Okay, all the base banner pendants are strung. Now we can add the letter pendants. Use glue to add the letters. You'll notice that I am not adding glue to the very top of the letter pendants. That is because of the ribbon running across the top. Leaving a space at the top allows the ribbon to move if needed. I sped up this part of the video as well. Feel free to pause here if you are following along. I created my banner as 2 strands, but you could put them all together on 1 strand of ribbon if you'd like. For the next part of the banner, I will add the happy fire pit and jar of fireflies that we made earlier. Thread the ribbon from the back to the front just like we did with the other banner pendants. Just as we did before, add the second layer of the banner pendants with glue. I have 2 blank layers, one for each of the extra designs. Add the jar of fireflies and the happy fire pit with glue. And that's it. Your Cricut made S'mores Fun banner is ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and had as much fun as I did creating this project. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Happy crafting!